Okay, classification of oblique triangles. So what are the classification of oblique triangles? There are only two classification of oblique triangles, which is acute triangle and obtuse triangle. So bakit po hindi kasali yung right triangle? So right triangle is not an oblique triangle. Why? So later on malaman natin na bakit hindi kasama yung right triangle. So what is acute triangle? So acute triangle is a triangle whose angles are all less than 90 degrees. So, ibig sabihin, yung measure po niya is less than 90 degrees. So, this one. So, less than 90 degrees. Tandaan, whose angles are all less than 90. So, mas mababa sa 90 degrees. So, halimbawa, 85, 75, 60, or in short, less than 90 degrees. So, how about obtuse triangle? So, obtuse triangle naman po, it is a triangle in which one of the angles is more than 90 degrees. So it means at least one. So in which one angles are more than 90 degrees, this one. So kapag isa ay more than 90 degrees, so it means it is an obtuse triangle.